Have you ever looked at a food and just wondered, how did anyone ever think of this? I found myself asking that very question one day. I was sitting at a little square table, surrounded by the wise frail John and butterflies fluttering around cacao fruit. Looking at a shaman painted on the wall, I thought, who was the first person to look at a root, a literal root from the ground, and think, you know what? Let's pull this thing out, peel it, boil it, mash it with some salt, roll it into a ball, flatten it, and then fry it. Who could have imagined that this process would create a delicacy so delicious it would one day be sold on nearly every corner of Bogotá? It's a question I get all the time on my food tours. Visitors see this brown, wrinkly, dirt-covered root, and they're amazed. Yes, it's a root, I tell them. Believe it or not, we eat a root. And then they always ask, but how? Who was the genius who first thought to pull it from the earth, peel it, boil it, mash it, form it, and fry it in hot oil? Who was that culinary pioneer? I imagine an indigenous man or woman proudly showing their discovery to the tribe. Maybe they took the first bite to prove it wasn't poisonous. To show everyone that this new thing from the earth was safe, and more than safe. It was incredible. And that's when I remember something a mummo, a spiritual leader, told me years ago when I visited his tribe. His words always come back to me when I think about this. He said, sometimes it's just like that. There's no need to overthink it or ask so many questions. Just enjoy it. It's here now, and we won't have to endure stomach aches anymore just to try it. And he's right. Some things, some traditions, they just begin. They're born from curiosity, maybe a bit of bravery, and they become a part of who we are. So the next time you bite into a caramellola or any food with a mysterious origin, maybe don't ask how, just enjoy that it's here. Thanks for watching. If you loved this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tales from the heart of Colombia. See you in the next one.